Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone. Way 1. Transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone with iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust and enter the screen lock passcode. OK. It is detected by the computer. Open this PC. Open Apple iPhone to access the photos. Locate the images you want to transfer and copy them. Head to the folder on your computer. Then paste all photos on the folder. Now connect another iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes. Click the iPhone icon. Hit Photos option on the left side. Tick the box next to Sync Photos. Click Pictures and select Choose Folder. Go to select the folder with photos. OK, now apply the change, and the images will be synced to the target iPhone. Way to transfer photos from one iPhone to another via iSunshare iSyncGenius. iSunshare iSyncGenius is the professional iPhone backup solution to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone or PC. You can download it from iSunshare.com to have a try. Connect your two iPhones to the computer. Alright, open iSunshare iSyncGenius. Click the Transfer option. Now set your source iPhone and target iPhone. Hit the Transfer button on the center. Well, tick only the picture option. After that, click the Transfer Now button. Congratulations! The photos are transferred to the target iPhone now. That's all for the video.